In the previous video, we discussed the classification of economics from the micro and macro point of view. Now let's look at economics from a different point of view. Instead of asking what economics studies, we now ask, what kind of subject is economics? Is it a science? Or is it an art? Let's understand this clearly. A science studies facts, causes, and effects in a systematic way. Economics is considered a science because it studies cause and effect relationships. It uses logic and reasoning. It tries to explain economic behavior. For example, when demand increases, prices tend to rise. When supply increases, prices tend to fall. These relationships are studied logically, just like in other sciences. Economics shows scientific features because it observes economic facts, it analyzes data, and it draws conclusions based on reasoning. However, economics is not an exact science, like physics or chemistry. Human behavior cannot be predicted with 100% accuracy. An art is about applying knowledge to achieve a desired result. Economics is also an art because it helps in decision-making, it guides policy formulation, and it suggests solutions to problems. For example, how to reduce unemployment, how to control inflation, and how to improve living standards. These require judgment and practical wisdom, not just theory. So, economics is both a science and an art. As a science, it explains economic facts. As an art, it applies that knowledge. One without the other is incomplete. Understanding facts alone is not enough. Applying them wisely is equally important. When you understand why prices rise or fall, you are using economics as a science. When you decide how to spend your income wisely, you are using economics as an art. So remember, economics has scientific features. Economics also involves practical application. Therefore, economics is both a science and an art. Now that we know how economics is viewed as a subject, the next idea is to understand different types of statements in economics. In the next video, we'll discuss positive and normative economics. If this explanation helped, please like and share the video. Also, subscribe to the channel. You can also leave a comment below if you want any part explained again. See you in the next video.